Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest developments in the world of health and wellness. Today we're going to look at how to treat insulin resistance, a condition that affects millions of people around the world. But before we begin, let's take a step back and understand what insulin resistance is. Insulin resistance is when the body's cells don't respond properly to insulin. This can lead to high blood sugar levels that increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and other serious health problems. However, the good news is that insulin resistance can be treated. In this video, we review the latest and most effective treatments for this condition. Here are some tips from a group of salty sailors on how to beat that pesky monster of insulin resistance and lower your blood sugar. A balanced diet is key, dear friends. Consume plenty of lean protein, vegetables, and healthy fats to keep your body running like a well-oiled ship. Stay away from sugary snacks and carbohydrate-rich meals that will send your blood sugar levels skyrocketing like a cannonball. Regular exercise helps make your body more sensitive to insulin, which means your blood sugar levels drop to the bottom of the ocean. Exercise your body with a mix of strength and endurance training to keep it on its toes. Keep your weight in check, landlubbers. Carrying around excess pounds can make insulin resistance worse than a wild wave. Make sure you maintain a healthy weight through diet and exercise. Don't forget that medications are also available to you if needed. Work with your doctor to find the best treatment plan for you. Did you know that over 88 million people in the US alone have insulin resistance? That's a whole lot of the population struggling with this disease. But don't worry, friends, with a few lifestyle changes and the help of your trusted healthcare provider, you can send insulin resistance to Davy Jones' locker where it belongs. Stay in good cheer, my dears, and don't let insulin resistance get you down. There are a variety of ways to combat insulin resistance, and medications are a proven option. There are quite a few medications, from Metformin, which is classic for type 2 diabetes, to newer compounds being developed. But don't just take our word for it. According to recent studies, medications can help improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar levels, and reduce the risk of developing diabetes-related complications. And who doesn't love lowering risk? So if you're struggling with insulin resistance, it might be worth talking to your healthcare provider about medication options. After all, as the saying goes, why let your body resist insulin when you can give it a little help? Here are some examples of medications that may be prescribed for insulin resistance. Metformin. The OG of diabetes medications, metformin helps lower glucose production in the liver and improve insulin sensitivity. Pioglitazone. This medication helps the body use insulin more effectively and may also improve cholesterol levels. GLP-1 receptor agonists. These medications stimulate insulin secretion and can curb appetite, making them a good choice for people with type 2 diabetes who also have weight management problems. DPP-4 inhibitors. These drugs help regulate blood sugar by preventing the breakdown of incretin hormones, which play a role in insulin secretion. However, like any medication, these options have potential side effects and aren't suitable for everyone. That's why it's important to have an open dialogue with your doctor about which approach is best for you. Ultimately, treating insulin resistance is about figuring out what works best for you. Whether it's medication, diet, exercise, or a combination of approaches, know that there are options available to help you on the road to better health. There are many different ways to treat insulin resistance, but they all have one thing in common: they can help sufferers live healthy life. Dietary changes, medications, and exercise are all effective treatments. Insulin resistance can be a difficult condition to manage, but with the right treatment plan, it's possible to live a healthy life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content.